What's up, guys? Today we are back with another 5-ingredient recipe using one of the new Primal Kitchen pasta sauces. Today we are using the no dairy garlic Alfredo sauce, and we're gonna be making a keto garlic chicken Alfredo bake. And so to make this, we're just gonna take some bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. We're gonna put them in a oven-safe dish. We're gonna cover them with chopped mushrooms, diced bacon, about a half jar of the no dairy garlic Alfredo, and then we're gonna top it all off with some grated Parmesan cheese. You're going to stick it in the oven and bake it at 375 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. Take it out, make sure it's done, make sure the chicken is no longer pink at the bone, and dinner is served. If you want to pick up some no dairy garlic Alfredo for yourself, you can head on over to primalkitchen.com, use the code HELLO20, and you'll get yourself 20% off. Thanks for watching.